Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 and operating system was not found BCD repair solved. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type bootsex space, /nt60 space, sys. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list volume. Select your system volume. System volume file system is FAT32 and size is displayed on MB. Type select volume 2. Type active. Type assign letter equal to J. Type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive, in my case boot drive is J and Windows installed drive is C. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /S space, boot drive letter colon space, /F space, all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.